Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're going to talk about the present tense. The present tense. Yes, what is the present tense? Present tense is used when talking about things happening in the current time. Present tense is used when talking about things happening in the current time. Present tense ekozesebwa okwogera ku kiriwo. Present tense ekozesebwa okwogera ku kiriwo. Happening right now is a kiriwo. Okay. So let's have some examples of present tense. Ebyokulabirako. Examples. Ebyokulabirako. So number 1. Mary sings wonderfully. Mary sings wonderfully. Mary sings wonderfully. Mary ayimba bulungi. Mary ayimba bulungi. Yes, remember, in a sentence we have the subject, and that is Mary. The verb singing. So Mary ayimba bulungi. Mary sings wonderfully because it is happening. That is what we call the present tense. Okay, let's proceed. Martin and Quita are on the way to the park. Martin and Quita are on the way to the park. Martin ne Quita bali mu kugenda ku park. Martin ne Quita bali kugenda ku park. Okay, let's proceed. It is raining heavily. It is raining heavily. Enkuba eri kutonya nnyo. Enkuba eri kutonya nnyo. Heavily is nnyo. Something which is much, if you can say. So let's take another example. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am dancing. Inze ndi kubibya. In Luganda, dancing is okubibya. But since we are taking the present tense, inze ndi kubibya. Inze ndi kubibya. Another example. You are so sick. You are so sick. Gwe oli mulwadde nnyo. Gwe oli mulwadde nnyo, because it is happening. That's the present tense. Okay, let's take another example. Mary likes to play netball. Mary likes to play netball. Mary ayagala nnyo okubaka omupiira. Mary ayagala nnyo okubaka omupiira. That is the present continuous tense because it is recurring every day. Yes. Mary ayagala nnyo okubaka omupiira. Okay, let's take another example. I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Nze nina emyaka 2. Nze nina emyaka 2. Okay. Thanks very much for watching, and for my subscribers. Stay tuned because more videos are dropping by. Bye bye. Whenever.